All right, second half of the first official weekend of April 7th, 2024. Tyler Hayes here. 1746 northbound is here. Let's check him out on the roll as we lean back and get him. Here we go. Chief, I'll lead it. C6M rebuild from the second batch, running second. M357! M35791 of the 6th. Started marking yard in Holman, Illinois. And marking the front yard in Stevens Point. And it's going to head on up to 17 yard in Winnipeg, Manitoba, Canada. M357! TTGX 987 135. Not bad. And that will do it for the M357 91 of the 6th. And we'll do it for the 3880 sporting the 100 anniversary logo. And maybe my next C6M rebuild from the second batch of the 3338. How wonderful is that? And that is going to do it for this video here at Ladysmith. Thank you guys for watching. Have a great evening. I'll see you next time, and I hope I will see you along the main line. Tyler Hayes out.